Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestibility test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are going to put a new videos, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you are watching videos on suggestibility test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. Hi, welcome back again. I'm sure you're enjoying our lessons on hypnotic imagination game and hypnosis. Am I right? You might have watched many videos previously. If you've not watched them, go back and you see other videos also. And now in this video, this is again a suggestibility test. We call it imagination game, where we make the person imagine that they are falling backward into the chair. Okay, so better they follow your instruction, the better they imagine, you will know how good the person is for other hypnotic imaginations. So watch me now and then do it on yourself. If you want, you can play this video after watching this again and then do it yourself, but make sure you have a chair behind you so that you fall on a chair or a sofa and then do it on somebody. So watch me doing this now. Okay, Sanjana, are you ready?
Yes.
Feet together?
Yeah.
Feet together. Relax your hand on your side. Take a deep breath. And if you want, you can close your eyes. And now imagine, just move your head a little bit up. Yeah. Now imagine there is somebody is pushing you from the forward or something is pulling you backward and you feel like falling backward. Just let it happen. Just let it happen. Imagine. Feel some pull. Just let it happen automatically. That's wonderful. You're doing a wonderful job. Just let it happen. You're fully safe. There's a chair behind you. Just let it happen. Don't worry. Just let it happen. Now, open your eyes. Now, watch when I'm doing on her. She had a little fear that she may fall down. So, I need to give her some assurance. So, you just do it one time. Just sit down. Stand here. Then just go back. Okay. Yeah. You know how does it feel? Now, get up again. Now, close your eyes and touch your feet to the chair, so you know that you are just at the right place. One more lesson, make sure the person feel comfortable, then only they will do it, otherwise they may have a fear, they may resist it, am I right? So keep your eyes closed, take a deep breath, and now imagine that you are falling backward into the chair, just falling backward, and you just let it happen. You know you are very safe there, there's a chair behind you, just falling backward, feel it, that's wonderful. Can continue, just relax, enjoying it, falling backwards. Okay, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Now, how does you feel it? I'm a little curious to know.
I felt a little push on the
backward.
Yeah.
Something pushing you from there.
Yeah.
That was your imagination, nobody was pushing you, know that?
Yeah.
That's how the imagination works. So my friend, when she come down on the chair, she was smiling. First she had a fear that she may fall down or she may get injured. So she had a little resistance. So I asked her, what I asked her to do it, put their leg closer to the chair, so know that they is touching, so they feel more secure. Now this is another imagination game, and when you do it in a group of people, now this one is very good when you're doing with a group of people, but doing in a group of people or friends, have 4 chairs or 5 chairs, whatever the number is, then give this suggestion and observe who goes on the chair first. That person are highly suggestible and they're ready for other demo of hypnosis. So, practice this right now, and if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so you get the notification, and looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson, which is coming shortly. Thank you very much. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, 1 friend or 2 friends or 3 friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available, so please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends, and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So, thank you very much for watching, and come back to the next video. Thank you.